And also another thing is your commitment to home ownership.
Yeah, good point.
If you're, wanting to shovel the snow, do the yard work, maintenance can be very costly in a home sometimes, so
But if you like renting, for instance, but you want to have home ownership because you're trying to build something for your future, we can
right.
also find a condo or a townhome where you don't have to do any of that.
Very
So
good.
there's
Yes.
something for everybody. I'm always of the belief, even before I was a real estate agent, that if you can own a home, you want to.
Right.
Part of what got everybody into trouble, or so many people into trouble here over the last 4 or 5 years, is that you can't use your house as a bank account. You can't
Right.
keep refinancing and stripping all the equity out of it.
Yep.
That's where people got into trouble. So I still think owning a home is a really good way to go. It's a good, sound financial decision, but the timing has to be right.
Right.
From a rental standpoint, I don't know, Toby, if you agree with me or not, but it just kind of feels like all you're doing is you're paying off someone else's mortgage for them.
Right.
You know,
Well, and then, like disadvantages of renting would be, your monthly payment can rise.
right,
And without any warning. You're not going to be building any equity. You're not going to be getting any tax benefits. And you can't do anything. If you want to, I think you can paint and stuff, but if you want to, I don't know, do anything to improve the place, I mean, you really can't. I mean, so there's things
right.
like that too that you just can't do.
Plus, it's money you'll never get back out of it because you're improving it for somebody else.
Exactly.
And then to
Exactly.
kind of jump off of one of the things you had just mentioned earlier, I think it's also really important to consider, where you're going to be in 10 years with the rent going up, because if you get into a 30-year fixed mortgage, you're set. It's not your payment's not going to change.
Yep, they stay stable.
Whereas
Yeah.
if the rent goes up, you either have to move or you have to keep paying that increase. So,
Right.
and the tax ramifications. When you own, you get to write off interest and some other things. So there's a big deduction that's also there for you as a homeowner as well. So not only is it the fact that the payments now are actually lower than a lot of rents in many areas of the Twin Cities, but you get all the tax benefits.
Exactly.